Hello YouTube. Copper King Recycling. Got these pieces off a residential AC. This was the electronics for it. Little circuit board that was in the air filter. Oh, cool. There. Let's get this open. This will have some copper, brass, silver. Just squeeze it. They're sometimes difficult to get into once you start breaking this outer shell. It will come apart a lot easier. Screwdriver. This is my favorite one. Around here somewhere. Anyways. I hate this. Oh, really? Like, why won't it? That's the side where all the upper winding is. They're usually not separated by another. Oh, I see what it is. Never mind, this is regular. No, that's copper. So paranoid I'm going to open something up and it's not going to be copper. Oh, thank you for falling apart so easily. So you're going to go in there. Yep, in there. This should just come right off. I'm trying to find on the internet how they make this specific little circuit, but it's not easy when you don't know what it's called. So if you know what this piece is called, please in the comments let me know. I just keep chipping at it. Broke my favorite snippers because I use them like pliers. Look, there's some silver. Nice. Oh, it's molded in there. Sometimes these will come right off. If it doesn't come off easily, I just move on. Yeah, see. But I'll get that silver off there. We'll put that in there. Take this one off. More silver. This is my copper. Oops. I was going to lose it for a second. Pull that piece out. Clean that up later. This is just metal. Oh, a little copper on the other side. Put that off to the side. Oh, a little piece in there. Hey, don't go anywhere. I don't really like to throw anything away while I'm doing this part until I am pretty sure. Is that metal? Oh, wow. No, it just looked like it was like this one. This will be easy. Yeah, no, still didn't do it. Let's try this way. Oh, you're going to be difficult, are you? Fine. Back to you. Oh, here we go. This is cool. Where's it? Oh, it went on this. Come here, you. Went around on this. This part. Like, what in the world? This is very cool. Okay, back to the job at hand. Okay, we're going to be difficult, are we? Oh, here we go. Answer. Uh-huh. You know it works too. Sometimes bash these. They just fall apart. Tape, it just comes right off. There we go. Yeah, right there. Coming apart. must be difficult. Not acceptable. Knife. Already falling off, I think. Maybe. Get under here. Get under here. The first one's always the most difficult. Of course. That's why I like the snippers so much. And how I destroy them. Get this one out. They start coming out a lot easier. This one out. There we go. This one is not my friend. There we go. I was like, I have fingernails. Why can't I get this off here? It usually isn't this difficult. I mean, I've seen them worse, so I can't say too much. There we go. There we go. That's better. Although the tape isn't that big of a deal, it does hold this very well. Oh yeah, see there. There we go. That's the answer we wanted. Fall out. Everybody fall out. Pull you out. And that's why I have a magnet. Other side. There. Should be a little easier now. Sounds like it's raining again. Yeah, there we go. Now we can, I'm going to move this. This will be my friend right now. Maybe. Wow. Just when you thought you had it figured out. Fine. Let's do it the old-fashioned way. These little doodads are one of the reasons I bought an angle grinder. I thought I was going to have to use that on it. It just took some time and experience. There we go. To a point to start falling out. Some of these are glued. Oh my gosh. I've had a few of those that got mangled with a hammer trying to get them apart. And if you're into letters, or I am a dork. Please do not listen to me. Where are you? It's always the last couple that seem to be the most difficult. It's that final section. There we go. And then this, you can sit here with your snippers, but if you've got a pipe cutter, or I'm sorry, a cable cutter, snip, you're done there, and you just pull it right out. Boom. And up later, move you out of my way. Let's do these. These are fun. Where is a bigger screwdriver? Put it on there. And just unspool it. I've already checked to see if this... Oh, wow. I had just seen a video where somebody had found something that had green and red wire in it. I think that was K&D scrapping. I had never seen that before. I was like, oh, that's so cool. He called it Christmas wire. Something like that. I was like, that's so cool. I've never seen that. And then here we are. Of course, this came out of a very, very old... Come off there. It's grabbing that last little edge. This is mine. Cool. That's cool. Psychedelic. Whoa, man. Whoa. I know. Calm down. Let's see. Let's try this one. There we go. Nice. Look at that. That's awesome. Thank you very much. This is mine now. You go in the 2 bucket. Ooh. That's satisfying. Too bad I don't have 100 of these. I could do this for a while. I know I've watched plenty of these videos. There we go. Break the connection. Wire out, maybe. There we go. Oh. Wire. Oh. Get you down. Very satisfying. Oh, where'd it go? Whoa, easy. Someone's had a lot of tea today. It's fine. Fine. Very nice. Garbage. Mine. Oh, very nice. Beautiful. Put that in the bucket. Okay, how do we get you out of here? Oh, have a cheap case? Maybe? Yep. Yeah. Break you up. Oh, wait. Wait a second here. Yep. Garbage. Okay. Oh, I jacked it up right there. Look. Did I? Yeah. No, I didn't. That's not me. Unwind. Oh, right here. Right here, possibly. Uh-oh. I may have to use the cable cutter on this one. Oh, wait. Or not. Wait a minute. I think I can get this one with these snippers. Oh, maybe not. Jeez. Here. Curious. Wants to come off. Or thinks it does. Oh yeah, I jacked it up. It's not making it easier, I'm making it worse. Plastic out of my way. Plastic out of my way. There we go. Very nice. So, I have this really easy solution for difficult pieces like this. Over here, get a pipe cutter. Well, I'm sorry, I keep saying pipe cutter. It is a cable cutter that I use to cut pipes. There we go. And that's that easy. Give me all my wire back. Oh. Try to take these from me. It's mine. Ooh, it's not too far. Oh no, what was a problem? No mas. Problema. Boom. This. Very nice. Very nice. Beautiful. So soft. Nice. Oh, you. Let's just reenact that. Come over here with the cable cutter. Gently grab it like so, and then give it a little bit of love. Pull it off, and you go, that's my copper. Give it back. There we go. Ooh, hello. How are you? Oh. Oh. Whoa. Sorry. Getting copper drunk. Gimme. Very nice. So there you go. I'll go ahead and clean up the rest of this off camera and get all these little fine little pieces, get all this out of here. That's the only part with the cable cutter is it makes this huge mess that you gotta sift through all these pieces to get your copper out without any plastic on it. And I'll go through and get all these pieces and joys. Nice. Oh, that's it. There we go. So that's the electronics for that air filter for the residential AC. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. And if you did, you'll share it. Subscribe to my channel if you really like it. And hit that notification bell for future video updates. Thanks for watching. Copper King out.